Are you a corporate professional who thinks that your executives and industry stakeholders value authentic expert insights on LinkedIn? Do you think that if you posted more authentic expert insights, you would advance your career and make more money? If this is you, keep watching. This is definitely me. And for the last few weeks, I've been saying I need to post more thought leadership insights on LinkedIn, yet I've been falling short until I decided to do something about it. And this is what happened. A very satisfying 860-something% increase in impressions on LinkedIn. And yes, I used AI, but not how you think. Before turning to AI, I turned to actual human world-class writer Nicolas Cole. Among his many accolades, he's been #1 writer on Quora, 15-time top writer on Medium, and a top columnist for Inc. magazine. As a ghostwriter, he's even probably written for some of the top executives that you are trying to reach on LinkedIn. Basically, he's a big deal in online writing. And lucky for us, he teaches everything we need to know through his videos and podcasts, tweets, and other media. One of his expert lessons is that everything you write online starts with a headline. Whether it's a tweet, a LinkedIn post, or even your company website, it all starts with a headline. So I took his awesome, detailed advice from his books, blogs, and videos, and I used it to create an AI prompt to help me generate really helpful headlines to jumpstart my writing. I want to make sure that you're getting this. This is not about me thinking of some magic prompt that's going to solve all my problems if I just copy and paste it into the AI. This is really looking at actual human expert content, getting all the tips about how to write such content, and then just using AI as a tool to help me follow the advice that I'm getting from a real, actual human. And I'm going to share the prompt and the system with you. His expert approach to writing headlines clarify exactly what you are writing, who you are writing for, and why they should care. After selecting a headline, I wrote the rest of the post using more AI prompts that I created using actual expert human writing tips and my own expert personalized authentic inputs. Okay, you might be asking, with all this effort to take the knowledge of Nicolas Cole and putting into an AI prompt, why don't I just take it and write the post myself? First of all, I am writing the post myself. I'm just getting AI to help me. And most importantly, when I finish this one post, I'll be able to use the AI, the expert tips, to set me up to get my next post done faster, better. And that's the most important thing. We'll see more on that next. But first, back to the post that I just made. That was 6 days ago. And since then, I've made 3 more posts, each one better and faster than the last. And very satisfyingly, I have received over 860-something% increase in impressions for my LinkedIn. That's exactly what I was trying to solve for. With this method, you will create insightful posts faster and better that executives, recruiters, and industry stakeholders will appreciate your authentic expertise so that you will make more money and advance your career. I'm still working on refining this method and creating a detailed video. As soon as it's ready, I will drop a link in the comments. For now, you can see the exact prompt I've used to get my results so far. I'll put that in the description. Keep watching and stay with me to get the rest of this system, which includes what's called chain of thought prompting. More on that coming. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so that you will automatically get notified and you don't miss out. In the meanwhile, if you have any questions at all, drop a link in the comments, follow me on any of the social medias, DM me, ask me any questions directly.